My alternator is really running very hot. I suspect it's a poor connection between the alternator and the batteries. I'm hoping it's just the ring terminal. Just needs to be scrubbed and scrub the connecting bolt and get a better connection. Just obviously it shouldn't be 140 degrees Celsius. So yeah, that's a bit of a pain. Looks like we might have some dolphins. Looked like they were coming over this way. Quite small ones. Tiny little fellas. Absolutely gorgeous afternoon. Very settled. Anchorage is really getting quite busy. It really is one of the most beautiful anchorages in Ireland. So last time I was out from Courtmacsherry to Glandore, I noticed an issue with the alternator overheating. So having done a bit of investigation online, one possible cause could be that the bolt that is attached to the negative cable there could be quite corroded and causing a lot of resistance. So I'm going to take that off and clean it up, and hopefully that will resolve the problem. Otherwise the alternator could be on its last legs. But an easy fix would be if that's true, so we'll try that first. Small keelboat racing through a field of anchored boats, making it slightly more interesting. It's another glorious day leaving Glandore. Anchor came up no problem, which is great. Really beautiful. Going to be a bit of a motor sail today. I expect mostly motor, not very much sailing, because the wind is just westerly and we're trying to make our way west to Baltimore. So last one of these. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening. Should get in by about 8. It's 16 miles away. Got our sail up at the moment. Probably won't hold it once we get out around the edge, but with a bit of luck it'll be pretty flat. It certainly feels like it will be anyway. Definitely at a lovely corner of Ireland. especially when the sun is shining. Just saw a Minke whale over there. Oh, nice. Jesus.